Menards, we're in trouble. Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesign.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Y'all, I went to Menards. I had to go to Menards because I had to get the paint for my booth. So I needed the paint for the walls, and it was a specific color to match the other people's color. So she sent me the color. I had it mixed, and maybe I found another gallon of Oops paint in a really pretty blue and a really nice green that might look good on that. Did I need it? No. Could I have mixed this green? Probably, with the colors that I have on hand. But that's not the point. It was only $2 and it was like a quart. It was a quart for $2, so I bought it. It's a really nice green. And then the blue. Oh, the blue. And then okay, so the other Menards that I went to doesn't mix things in their paint. This one, I said, so how do I know what blue this is if I fall in love with this blue? Like, if I want to get it again. And she goes, oh, well, we mix other colors in it, so that's, and I'm like, oh, really? Cool, good to know. So when the top is completely painted, and it's not just a swatch, they've mixed something in it. But I said, but that's the color that's in it, right? I'm not gonna like open it up and it's a different color. And she goes, no, that's the color that's in it. And so the green and the blue that I bought are the colors that are in it, but not the colors the original person had mixed. So they must put like a yellow in the green, or well, it's pretty. Whatever they did, it's pretty. So I'm quite pleased with it. Did I need it? No, probably not. I probably could have just done the pink. And I still don't know if I'm going to do the pink or the green, but I'm seeing green. It feels like springy, greeny time, and I don't know. I got to go home and put the legs on that table now. So that's my goal for this evening. I got to get my taxes done for this weekend. I got to drop them off this weekend. Oh my gosh, there's so much going on. I just have anxiety. I have anxiety. It just gives me wicked anxiety to even think about getting my taxes done. Nobody likes taxes. And again, I wake up feeling like wildly optimistic, right? So this morning I had to go into the paper and lay out the paper, all that good stuff. So I did that today. It's a long day, busy day. And I'm still feeling like wickedly optimistic about things. And at the same time, I think about my taxes, I just go, whew, anxiety. That's a really weird dichotomy. I don't know what else to tell you, but I'm like, I'm feeling good. Things are great. I'm wonderful. Everything's great. Feel positive. Oh, taxes. Ugh. So, I don't know what's going on. Just depends on the moment, I guess. And I legitimately have no earthly reason to feel wildly optimistic. Based on the sales for this month, all the other stuff that's going on, I have no reason to feel this like something good is coming. I'm like, I don't know why. I just feel positive. Considering everything I'm touching is falling apart, I didn't sell well, I'm pretty much broke. And I'm like, I feel good, everything's great, wonderful. Then you talk to me about my taxes. I never like doing taxes. husband's business. We got audited every year. Oh, that's probably why I have such anxiety around taxes. But nothing bad ever happened from the audit. It is what it is, I guess. We never had to pay in more. Actually, they ended up owing us because I got spiteful. Don't make me spiteful. We hadn't even taken some of the deductions that I felt were a little chancy. And the IRS lady's like, well, yeah, those are kind of red flags. I said, well, what does it hurt? We're sitting here now being audited. We're taking them. They ended up owing me $1,100, so I was happy. I'll take that $1,100. So I guess I don't have anything like, you know, it's just their job. They're not out to like kill you. They're not going to take a gun and shoot you if you did something wrong on your taxes. My tax account's really good, so I shouldn't be so worried, but I got to pull all the stuff together. And it just has to, like, you have to go back through the last year of your life. And I think part of it is like the regrets. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Oh, I shouldn't have gone to that show. Oh, I shouldn't have bought that. You know, all of those little minor regrets that you may have put in the past and you're like not even thinking about them anymore, come back for that tax prep. You know, you get to see like, oh, that's right, I lost that much money on that event. You know, all of that comes back to haunt you. But, you know, it's all deductible. So it's a 6 of one, half a dozen of the other. I don't know. Let's get the legs on that darn thing before I gotta go pick up my daughter from play practice. I swear, in 2 weeks, it's all over. No more archery, no more play practice. We're done. And I cannot wait to not have to run. It's making me long for the pandemic lockdown days where I didn't have to go anywhere at all. Look up. Dude. Just pull out right in front of me. Be on your guard when you drive. Anyway. Alright. I'm gonna go be on my guard. Moment of truth. Is it dry? It's dry! Yay. Good. Alright, let's get those legs on. While I was cleaning, I tucked everything up that I was gonna need up underneath here. So the drill and all that stuff is under here. And I am going to go with my theory that if I put it in the this piece and not the edge, we're going to have a better outcome. Let's try it. I need a tape measure or a ruler. Do I have a ruler over there? I got a ruler. I'm going to do it 1/2 inch from the edge here, and then I'm just going to line it up with the board that's on the side. At least that's the thought here. And again, it's just a little needle point. Yeah. It's definitely hard wood. I mean, it's not. It doesn't feel soft when I drill it. And then I got the wider screw here. Oh. Well, I suppose I could use my drill to drill it in. But I'm not gonna. I'm gonna use my hand. So it's grabbing. See, that's the difference between using your drill to screw in and using a hand tool. Is I can feel it. The threads grab the wood. That was my other thing. It's like, did it grab? Did I just not notice that it didn't grab? But this way, I mean, I can tell you it's grabbing right now. Put the other one in. This was the one that fell out. So let's see. I'm just gonna grab. You gonna grab? Grabbing. All right, not to be weird, but I'm gonna pull on this leg. All right, it didn't come off. Yay! Okay, 1 down, 3 to go. I just tug on it to see if it works. Oh, I forgot to sand this. Okay, hang on. I cleaned up all the sandpaper that was laying on the floor. Hang on. All right, I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse. This screw isn't grabbing. I put a different screw in its place and that grabbed. And then this, I mean, there's nothing wrong with this as far as I could tell. What's going on? What's up? What's up with this? Oh, wait. Oh, there's a problem with this screw. Looks like there's like a burr where there's a little flat edge there. That's why that one won't screw in. Got an answer. That's weird. Okay. 1 leg to go. And then we're going to flip it, touch up some paint, because we're going to have to touch up some paint, and move forward. Please stay together, because somebody's going to love you and put you in their new house. I promise somebody will love you. Just stay together. Just stay together. Okay. For want of one bloody screw. That one will not go in. I tried it on the back one thinking, well, maybe I'm wrong. Nope. Do I have one more effing screw? That's too long. That's too small. That's too long. That's too short. That's too fat. That's too skinny. This might be the only one I have that'll work. Just one. Oh, there it is. There it is. One left. I had one left. Okay, let's do it. Let's see. Let's make sure there's nothing wrong with the tip. There isn't. Let's get this put on. And that one went in like a dream, like it was meant to do that, because it is. All right. They stayed on. Believe me, that was not gentle. Yes, they stayed on. I'm very excited about that. I do want to run some paint over the bottom. I found the crystal that I knocked off the chandelier yesterday. But I have to go pick up my kid from archery or play practice. I don't know where the heck she is. Somebody knows where she is. It's not me. You know, I'm going to run some paint along the bottom so that it covers up all the ills. Put all my tools away and I can't find anything. Let me get the paint key here. The navy blue or the blue paint that I picked up today at Menards looks eerily similar to this. I'm hoping I like it just as much. Okay, let's get this mixed up. Put a coat of paint on the bottom. All right, I got a coat of paint on her, and she's drying. So when she's dry, I'm going to turn her over and make repairs to the top. And as predicted, yes, I did damage the top, but she's on her feet, so yay. I'm gonna get some paint on that, get that fixed up so she can be done. But look how pretty she is. She's still pretty. And I am gonna just rough it up a little bit just to make sure that the paint sticks. So I'm gonna use this. You don't need to watch. You see me paint and sand and all that stuff, but let's get it done. Done. Oh, thank you. And the legs are staying on. It's staying up. It's not broken off. The screws haven't come out. But before I ended the video today, I wanted to show you the paint that I picked up on the Boots paint rack. Don't tell my husband. Don't tell him. Okay. That's the green. It's good, right? Shouldn't be wearing my good clothes, but it's good. So I think that might win over the pink for that piece that I brought home the other day. My $10 challenge. Receipt for taxes. And then, last but not least, this is the one I was in danger of falling in love with, so I had to ask her how I find this paint again. So pretty. It's so pretty. I love that blue. So I'm excited. But I'm going to let this dry. Tomorrow, I get to work on a different project. I'm happy with how it turned out. Again, I love the black and the blue together. It really turned out very nice. I can't say that, you know, sometimes you just gotta be brave with the colors. I doubted it. I doubted it. Believe me, I was like, ooh, do I want to do something so dark? Maybe I should go like, I am in love with how this looks in person. I know on the camera, you don't see the detail that you can see the wood grain and how beautiful it is in person. And it just, it's still really stunning in person. So I'm excited that this is going to be finally done, and it's going to get a price tag, and it's going to be in the shop. Y'all, some of these pieces, they tried to kill me. They are trying to kill me. But they will not win. Got another one down. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy chunkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.